everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2016 Ram 2500 Laramie Longhorn. With just over 100,000 miles, this Mega-Cab pickup truck does feature a 6.4 liter V8. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with 3 previous owners. At the front of this 2500, you will find it well equipped with high-intensity headlamps, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front tow hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you will be met with a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the exterior, you will have nice features like fixed running boards, chrome trim, passive door entry, and turn signal indicators integrated right into your tow mirror. Looking inside, you'll have a lot of nice elements like this two-tone chocolate and tan with your cream stitching. And as you can see, you do have some chrome and faux wood grain and Longhorn badging. And as you can see, that theme is going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful pickup truck. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and ventilated front seats, of course leather trimmed with your Longhorn badging right in the middle. And of course you have your lighter brown piping. And these seats do have power options on the passenger and driver side. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see all the tires are 14/30 seconds all the way around. That's a brand new tire with brand new brake pads, and everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will definitely be comfortable back here. They will also have heated back seats, charging, and a flow-through center console, all-weather floor mats with carpet insert. And on the back of the passenger and driver seats here, you will have your saddlebag storage here. And let's go ahead and take a look at these seats. So not only will these seats recline, down below you'll have a latch, and these seats will fold completely flat, making one flat surface. Let's go over to the other side here. We'll go ahead and fold that flat as well. And as you can see, you can utilize all that extra space in this Mega-Cab 2500. And making our way back to the bed, you can see this Ram 2500 does come equipped with a spray-in bed liner. And it does have some nice aftermarket smoked LED tail lamps here, complete with rear proximity sensors, towing equipment, and Ram badging, and a rear camera. And making our way to the driver door, you notice all your powered options such as powered door locks. And then you have some window safety locks here, powered windows, adjustable mirrors, and these mirrors are also heated and power folding. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, and remote start with panic. And bringing our attention to the gauges, you can see this Ram is equipped with your Longhorn Edition gauge display on the cluster here. And you can see just over 100,000 miles. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have some selectors for that center screen, phone pairing buttons, and of course you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth with smartphone integration. And over to the right, you will have some cruise control options. Up top, you will enjoy nice features like Alpine premium sound, some storage up top here, and right down to our center display, a nice generously sized touchscreen here with customizable backgrounds here. As you can see, you can set the theme to your liking. And under controls here, you can see you do have options for your heated seat, ventilated seat, and your heated wheel. And here we can see this vehicle is equipped with onboard navigation, FM, AM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity, all powered by the Uconnect system. And down below your display, you can see you have some simple radio controls, your 4-ways, and your climate controls as well. And down below, you will see an integrated trailer brake controller with your gain controls. Then you have some traction control options, tow haul mode, proximity sensors in the rear and front. You can turn those on and off right there. And then you have your options for your heated seat and your ventilated seat and heated wheel, so you can access those on your screen or down below. And to the left, we will have our 4-wheel drive selector, and you'll have some additional charging as far as a 115 up front here. And this is what I like about these Rams in general, the nice center console here, plenty of storage, everything's right at your fingertips, a slot for your phone, 12-volt charging, some beverage holders. You do have a nice privacy cover there, again with that nice faux wood grain and chrome trim all the way around. Then you have a 2-part console here. So you have an upper compartment here. Of course, you have your change dispenser, and then some charging as far as USB. And then here you have an auxiliary spot for your SD card. Let me get a good shot of that. And then another USB hid under there. a nice mat that comes up easy for cleaning. And let's go ahead and take a look at the lower compartment as well. So plenty of storage options here in this Mega-Cab Ram. Making our way up top, you can see our auto dimming rear view mirror with your assist and emergency buttons. And this Ram 2500 is also equipped with integrated garage door openers, a rear sliding glass, and some nice bright LED map lights. Under the hood, you will have your 6.4 liter Hemi engine, and as you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these ready for the next buyer, and along with that multi-point inspection, this 2500 has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram 2500 Laramie. And of course, this is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We'd like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. And this is a very helpful resource for those of you who are live further away from the dealership. This portion is for you. We really want to be transparent. Before you make the trip to the dealership, we want to let you know what you are getting into here. So you are going to have some blemishes here on the front. Looks like you will have some touch-up spots here. But all in all, pretty good shape for the year and miles. All your chrome trim is in fairly good shape. You will have some blemishes here, as you can see. And all the way down to the lower bumper, no dents or dings. I will say your headlights are clear. A lot of times you'll get discoloration around here in the fog lights. You will have some of that starting here, as you can see, a little haze. But on the headlamps, very clear. Tow hooks do not look like they were used. That's super important. Okay. And then here around the wheel and tire setup, you can see some blemishes here, as you can see, some peeling. And your Ram badging, everything here. Let's go up to the passenger side on your mirror cap, your chrome mirror cap. Some blemishes there. Let's check out that chrome strip. No peeling or anything of that nature. Your running boards are in good shape. Like I said, you are gonna have some wear and tear on this vehicle, like this covering on the outside of the door. You will have some discoloration, some starting to get a little stressed right there. That does tend to start to peel off after a certain amount of time, but your interior is in really good shape here. You can see some small marks here on that passenger side door card, but otherwise very clean inside. The headliner is clear of any stains or anything like that. No odors, very important here at All Things Automotive. No smoke. That's what we like. And taking a look back here to your factory floor mats, in very good shape. And the back seats are in good shape as well. Let's take a look at the bed. On top of this bed here, these trim pieces are going to have some scarring. And here on the top of the tailgate back here, cargo going in and out, you can't get away from that, and you will have some scuffs in the spray-in bed liner, but that's what that is there to do, is to protect your bed. Of course, these are aftermarket, very clear, very bright. Bringing our attention to the top of the tailgate, you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes up here and here as well, but no dents or dings on that nice chrome bumper. Coming up the driver's side, on the vehicle body, no dents or dings that I'm seeing. Nice clean lines. Okay. No curb rash on these wheels. Of course, you will have some cosmetic blemishes here and there. Just a small amount of dust from our reconditioning area here. We will have some scuffs behind the driver door handle. And like I said, that material is peeling a little bit off the outer door and up top. So you will have discoloration here and a little bit of peeling. But all your rain guards are in good shape. They're all matching, no chips, no cracks. And let's take a look and end with our driver mirror cap. Very clean, actually. So for the year and miles, very clean truck. Super nice truck here. Mega-Cab, so extra space. 2500, 6.4 liter with just over 100,000 miles. If you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. A few ways you can reach us. You can call us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com and shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this vehicle does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.